GBB contends there is a lack of assistance from the governor's office and the government's attorney, Roland Manzanotnya. They claim it has placed the timely resolution of several important issues in jeopardy. The areas of concern include the acquisition of the land needed for the Ora dump closure, reviewing the RFP for obtaining legal counsel for the Guam Solid Waste Authority Board, complying with the court's order for the parties to develop a plan for financing additional projects, as well as personnel issues related to employees of the GSWA. The court replaced the Attorney General's office with Attorney Manzanotnya, but the receiver asked that the AG's office be allowed to continue to represent the GSWA in only 3 specific areas. The governor's legal counsel, Sandra Miller, however, did not agree, and the receiver is now asking for guidance about how to proceed. Governor's Deputy Press Secretary, Phil Leon Guerrero.
Yeah, we find it really hard to believe that a multi-million-dollar company like GBB would have to rely on a government-paid attorney, in fact, several government-paid attorneys, to do their work for them. For instance, government-paid attorneys to settle a private case between this multi-million-dollar company and Lagu Sanitation, or for a multi-million-dollar company to rely on government-paid attorneys to come up with its own financial plan.
GBB has asked for clarification on whether Manzanotnya will be participating in meeting with Lagu to discuss a matter that is included in the consent decree, assisting the GSWA board obtain legal counsel, and assisting GSWA in finalizing the land acquisition. The receiver has made it clear for months now that it is in control of the Guam Solid Waste Authority and remains so until they turn control back over to the government of Guam. The GSWA board has expressed concerns with the inability to get information from the receiver, such as financial reports, as well as expediting efforts to obtain its own legal counsel.
This carpetbagging company really has been nickel and diming the people of Guam for a really long time. They charge us for phone calls into radio stations and the like. And so, this really is kind of par for the course for them. I think the most unfortunate thing is that they continue to do these actions and continue to try to place these additional burdens on the people without any regard to the really enormous tipping fees that are placed on the backs of our families.
Chief Judge Francis Tidinko Gatewood has ordered Attorney Manzanotnya to file a response to the report by February 7th, and the court will hold a hearing on Thursday, February 27th. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.